Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Sheets to track every investment deal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets in your web browser. Click on the blank spreadsheet option to create a new sheet. Rename the spreadsheet to Investment Tracking by clicking on the default title. In the first row, label your columns for organization. Use headers such as date, investment type, amount invested, current value, and notes. In the date column, enter the date of each investment deal. In the investment type column, specify whether it's stocks, real estate, or other types. In the amount invested column, record the amount of money allocated for each investment. In the current value column, input the current market value of each investment. In the notes column, add any relevant details, such as projected returns or important events. Highlight the header row by selecting it and using the fill color option to make it stand out. Adjust the column widths for better readability by clicking and dragging the lines between column letters. To make calculations easier, insert a new row at the bottom for totals. In the amount invested column total, use the sum function to calculate the overall investment amount. In the current value column total, apply the same sum function for current values. Create a new sheet for performance analysis by clicking on the plus icon at the bottom. In the new sheet, set headers for total invested, total current value, and gain/loss. Link the total invested cell to the total from the first sheet using equals sheet 1 cell reference. Link the total current value cell with the same method. Calculate gain/loss by subtracting total invested from total current value. Format the cells in the new analysis sheet for clarity using bold text or colors. Regularly update your spreadsheets as you make new investments or receive performance updates. Consider adding charts to visualize your investment performance over time. Utilize Google Sheets sharing feature if you wish to collaborate with others on your investment tracking. Save your progress periodically to avoid losing any data. Review your investments regularly to stay informed and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.